Creating a dynamic measure in Power BI to switch between volume, revenue, and price per liter is a powerful way to make your dashboard more interactive and informative. By doing so, you can allow users to customize their view and focus on the specific matrix that matters most to them. Additionally, optimizing the dashboard layout is a crucial to ensure that information is presented clearly without overwhelming the viewers. In this video, we'll discuss how to create such a dynamic measure and why it's essential for your Power BI dashboard. In this video, I will be sharing with you on how to make your static table dashboard into a dynamic one. So you will be able, by this selection, you will be able to control the table to dynamically switch from volume, revenue, or price per liter. In today's world of data visualization, dashboard real estate is precious. To create a compelling, informative dashboard, we often need to make the most out of the every inch of the screen. Today, we'll tackle this challenge by showing you how to dynamically switch between different measures, volume, revenue, and price per liter. Okay, we are now in the video. So we have the table that is static, only representing a revenue. So now we have three measures for current year, and we also have three measures for prior year, composed of revenue, volume, and price per liter. Now we'll create a table that would represent the selection, which is the volume, revenue, and price per liter. And we'll also make an index to ensure that this will be arranged in that order. So we'll name it as selection, then an index column. Then let's name the table as selection. Now we have the selection folder. We'll put it in the selection field. Okay, as you can see, it's not fully arranged in the into the order. So we'll sort it by index. There you have it. Volume, revenue, and price per liter in order. So let's put some card just to show you that it's reflect selecting the right index number. So price per liter is 3, volume is 1, revenue is 2, then price liter again is 3. Now we'll create a measure that will dynamically assigned the value of the selected index. So I have, and this is what you call the switch function. So don't worry, at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to see what exact syntax did I put into this. Okay, now we'll drag the measure into the value field. Okay, now it's in the value field now. Okay, so now when you switch from volume to revenue, actual will be updated and the price per liter as well. So we're done with the actual. We're now go into prior year. Again, we will use the switch function. So if it is true, then it goes to a certain condition, then it will run the certain measures if the index is met. Okay. So let me just increase the font of the measure so that you can see it. done with the prior selection. I'll also do the same for the actual selection. There you have it. You now have a table that is dynamically controlled by a selection, volume, revenue, and price per liter all in one table, dynamically switching.